What's up guys, Anubhav here, and few months back I made a video on how to add fake bokeh to your pictures using Photoshop. But what if you don't have a PC or Photoshop? Here I am, and in this video I got you something interesting. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fake bokeh to your pictures using Snapseed on your Android device. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video.
I can't keep up with your style.
So guys, just take your device out of your pocket and then just open the browser of your choice. So I'm using Chrome browser. Now here search for bokeh, and yeah, just go to image section. It may take time because depending upon your speed, my speed is very slow because of GO. And now here you have to select any picture. So I'm going to be using this picture, and if you want the same picture, then just go to the link in my bio, and not in my bio, I mean description, Instagram addict. So I'm downloading it, and I've already downloaded this picture. So now I'm not going to just wait until it downloads, so I'm going in Snapseed. So after opening Snapseed, just take the picture that you want to add fake bokeh. So I'm using this picture. This is of Brandon Waffles model. Now go to tools and scroll down and go to double exposure, and now just add a picture here. So select this bokeh picture and adjust as per your requirements. So yeah, let me adjust it. So I think this is good. Now you can just decrease and increase the opacity. So I'm not going to do anything here. And now just click on this right icon. Now just click on this icon. I don't know what is the name of it. Now just click on quick edits and click on double exposure, and then enable this thing and just decrease everything down and erase the parts of the bokeh where you don't want the bokeh to be, the bokeh balls. And yeah, that's it. Here is your fake bokeh, and it's looking amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this video. Now export your this picture and share it with your friends. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. So till that, peace out and have a nice day, and do follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description below.